Friends, I am Rushi. We had already seen before that how we controlled LED with a switch. So, today we are going to discuss the two switch in parallel connection and two switches in series connection. So, let's start with our first circuit. Here, there is two parallelly connected switch and it glows the bulb. So, in our first condition, both the switches are off. So Sanvi, I would like to ask you that when both the switches are off, what would be the result? Will the bulb glow?
I think that bulb was not glow because the current was not passed from the switch to LED.
Yes, you are definitely right. Next, we would move on to our second condition. The switch 1 is on and switch 2 is off. So Krishi, what would be the result?
It will bulb glow because it is in the parallel connection. So switch 1 is on and switch 2 is off. The bulb will glow.
Yes, you are also right. In our third condition, switch 1 is off and switch 2 is on. So this is same as the above one. In above one it is said that the switch 1 is on and switch 2 is off. So the current passes through this switch and current will not pass through this switch. But still the current is passing through this switch, the bulb will glow. But in our this condition, the current is passing through switch 2 and not passes through switch 1. So the bulb will glow. Yes, you are also right. So next in our fourth condition and the easiest condition, that both the switches are on. So what would be the result? The bulb will glow because the circuit is passing through both the switch. So in our this condition, the bulb will glow. So these were the conditions for a parallel connection. So next move on to the next circuit. This is the circuit in which two switches are connected in series connection. So this is switch 1 and switch 2. So let's see our first condition. Both the switches are off. So Sanvi, what would be the result?
As we see in parallel connection, also in series connection, it will not glow.
Yes, you are also right because these switches are off and the connection would not pass through switch 1. So how it would go on switch 2? Yes, you are right. Let's move on to a second condition. Switch 1 is on and switch 2 is off. So what would be the result, Krishi?
It will not glow because in this connection, it is in series connection. So when the current passes through the switch 1, but the second switch is off, it is not passing through switch 2, then it will not glow.
Yes, you are right. Let's move on to our third condition. Switch 1 is off and switch 2 is on. So it is same as the above one, that this one was on and this one was off. So current passes through this switch but does not go ahead from switch 2. So the bulb will not glow. So in our this condition also, this one, the switch 1 is off and switch 2 is on. So the current does not passes through this switch. So how it would go ahead? So our bulb will not glow. Next we will move on to our fourth condition and the easiest one. You all might know that both the switches are in on position. So as both the switches are on, our bulb will glow because when this switch is on, the current passes through this switch, and this switch is on, the current also passes through this switch, and at last it reaches to the bulb. So this one was the easiest one. At last, I would like to summarize both the circuits in one line. That we saw in parallel connection that even one of the switches on, the bulb will glow. But when we see in series connection, both the switch must be on. Then only our bulb will glow. If any of the switch is kept off, our bulb will not glow. So this was the two circuits. And also I would like to give an example of series connection that you all might have seen in Diwali festival, that you all might be decorating your homes with some series LEDs. So even one of the LED gets fused, the current will not go ahead. So this was a simple example of series connection. So next, Krishi and Sanvi would practically explain the
As Rusi tell us in the circuit diagram, now we will see in connection diagram. This is our battery source which connected with the two switches in parallel circuit to control an LED lamp. As we see in connection diagram, all the two switches, one LED and a battery source was ready. First of all, I have one switch, Krishi have second switch and Rushi have LED. When I on the switch, the LED glow, as you see. And when I off the switch, LED was off. When Krishi glow on the switch, the bulb was glow. When is offed, the bulb was on. When we both are on the switch, the bulb was glow, as we see in here. As we off the switch, the LED was off. As Rusi explained in circuit diagram, now we show in connection diagram. This is our battery source which is connected with series connection with two switches to control LED lamp. As we see in connection diagram, we have a battery source, two switches as was jointed in series connection and one LED. When I switch on, LED not glow. When I off the switch and second switch is on, the LED not glow. When the both are on the switch, the LED was glowed.
So friends, as we discussed before, now we saw practically. So in parallel connection we saw that one switch is required to be on, still the bulb will glow. But in series circuit, both the switches is required to be on, and then as the result our bulb will glow. So friends, we hope you all had fun. We will be back with our next experiment with two LEDs in series and parallel connection.
So friends, हमारी इस चैनल को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और हाँ बेल आइकन दबाने का भूलना मत, जिसके आपको वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस।